Okay, so what level of pain do you think you have right now?
Oh, probably about a 5 or 6.
Okay, and do you feel it when you flex or just all the time?
Yeah, no, not all the time. Depends on the weather.
So is it a 5 or 6 right now?
Yeah. on
Okay.
that side.
Let's give it a shot.
Okay.
Well, I'll try 2 different places, one here and then one on your tricep. Okay, and if you want to just tell me anything you are experiencing, that would be helpful. And if you want to try and cause it to hurt and see if it's different, that'd be helpful too. What do you think?
Yeah, it's going numb.
It's going numb.
Yep.
Is that different?
Yep.
Numb good or numb bad?
It's bad. It's good, I mean.
Well, that's cool. So you're losing the pain.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. I wonder if it feels better in a different spot or if it feels the same. What do you think?
Yeah.
What kind of pain rating would you give yourself now?
Probably about a 4.
So it went down.
Yeah.
Right on. Let's try just on your tricep, quick. We'll just put it right there, and we'll see if that has any difference in your feeling in your hand than putting it on your forearm. You want to try flexing again? See if, like this, and see if.
Oh, okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Is that better than on your forearm?
Yep.
What number pain do you think you'd have now?
Probably about a 2 or so.
Shut up! It went from a 5 to a 2.
Yeah.
Right on.
Right on.
Okay, so I'm just going to give you these and show you how to use them.